garbage.
We had the Chesapeake, Ohio 234 coming through. Seems to jump the track there.
Yeah.
The hand of God comes down and puts it back on.
I think what it is on this locomotive here, it won't take that switch very well. What's it called? The quickest record maintenance you ever want to see.
Really? Pick up a, how much those things weigh? In the 20 tons? How much is a?
Quite a bit.
I know one thing, they'll flatten a penny out faster than a... Now all we need is some artificial snow falling around here, don't we, Aaron?
Well, this couple doesn't match here. This match, that's on that. Every now and again like that. Ain't sure and all this stuff. Couple was open for one thing. I don't know why.
Merry Christmas, Jessica and John Michael.
You're a lot easier to pick up than you was.
We love you. Have a good Christmas tomorrow.
You're taller than Brian now.
Yeah, I am tall.
Looks to me like that red caboose got the track. I'm not red caboose, the red box box. Thank you, son. Yeah, you're right. You're right, man. You're going to jump the track. Do something over there and sit.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye, guys.
Happy holidays. Happy New Year, all that stuff.
That's going to do it.
That's it.
Slow down, please.
This is how they do those science fiction movies where stuff comes in and tears up the track and stuff. We have a Pullman, an American Flyer Line 661, Peach Pipe. You got the juice on it?
I'm trying to back it up.
Okay.
Do it.
There you go.
One coach more than we can pour on now. Yeah, it's been a long time since that was run. Turned out to be pretty nice looking box cars. Those boxes. They just put them together. I think. Yeah. One of them both of them right now. They're a little bit taller than the line there.
Oh, the trucks look real good. Oh, those are nice. Oh,
The couplers are not exactly go-to, but they work. Well, that was quite a prank, that's what it was. Never seen a picture of Scoop after that. It's always
Now this you got a classic right there, a 65 Mustang. What year is that? 1952. 2 years older than me. Man, that thing would have been brand spanking new when I was young. Baby. I had a 65 convertible Mustang. See if it's 65. 64 and a half, excuse me. Let's see what else we got here. This is probably before my time. Made in Hong Kong. Here's a 1940 Woody. I remember when I was a kid, everything made in Japan was just cheap, little plastic. I mean, you know, you get stuff and it'd be
pick it up and fall apart.
Oh man.
Nowadays, it's that way with the U.S. made stuff.
It's totally backwards.
Yeah.
We used to kid about being made in a pan. Now, on this Northern Pacific, it says Sweet of the Northeast or something. Got the door open, I can't read it.
Main Street of the North.
Main Street, is that what it says? All I can see is the EPT. I'll tell you what. It's made in 1940. Guess there was more light at.
Right here.
You get the front rail station here. I can't seem to get the wording on the Union Station. I was wondering if I could see the sparks flying around underneath there. I think I did catch it that time. I got those people sitting there on the side of the road. I had to put my smeller on so it could smell the smoke. Oh, I did see it right there. That's a good way to mess up a... I caught it right there in front of the light that time, so we'll the trouble is this thing will focus in on something. Boy, look at the wire on that thing.
I think what I'll do is I can go that way, you know, I swap engines out. That's pretty good smoke, right?
Yeah, well, I'll get that. Oh, yeah. In fact, I'll catch him coming down this way. In fact, oh, yeah. Oh, man, that thing. That thing does huffing and puffing, doesn't it? That thing not doing that all the way around there, is it? No, you're fine. That's fine. That's good. I got it at both times. That first time it came down through there, it was really putting out some stuff. You know, you had to change all those golfs to BT.
Yeah.
When Johnny? Yeah, it's starting to pump it up now.